Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey May. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can always be notified every time I upload a video. So guys, this is a video that I have been postponing for the very longest time. I've been wanting to do this video, but then I don't know, for some reasons I just keep on postponing every now and then. So I don't know if you have noticed, or maybe some of you have noticed, but then others, I know they don't. I know majority they do, they know. So I remember there's a time I was not uploading videos. I just disappeared like a month, mainly because I was not really sick, but I was sick. So I just decided to take a break from YouTube and just disappear. So if you have, maybe, I know most African women, they can just look at you and sometimes just tell that there's something going on with you. So yeah, I am currently pregnant with my second child. And to be honest, I don't know how to feel about this. I'm actually confused. I'm happy and confused at the same time. I don't know how to feel about this because, with my first child, I was like, yeah, I'm okay with this. It was a new journey and I did not know anything to expect. I was just there. Anything that was coming in, I was just taking it in like that. But then just like pregnancies are very different. If somebody could have told me like that before, I would be like, no, I never experienced this, so this is not going to happen to me. So yeah, so this is why I was gone for the very longest time. So maybe this video I'm uploading, I'm currently recording it at 35 weeks, so I'm like 9 months pregnant. So I disappeared like the whole first trimester because I was so sick. Not like sick because I was not throwing up and all that, but I had food aversion, so I was not eating and I lost a lot of weight and I was just so weak. I was just weak, so I was feeling tired most of the time, but I think this was because I was not eating. So yeah, that's the good news. I know maybe most of you knew, others they did not know, because if you looked at me, this pregnancy came with, I was having this dark skin, like from my neck to my chest. It was so dark. So if you looked at me most of the time, you could have noticed. And if you know how to check a pregnant woman, you could have also noticed, or maybe most of you knew, but then you wanted me to break the news to you. So if this kind of pregnancy videos interest you and you want to keep on with this journey, please subscribe to this channel right now, comment down below and like this video. Yeah, so guys, that's the good news. But then, just like the way I said, pregnancies are so different, because with this pregnancy I have not had a lot of morning sickness apart from that food aversion, which this is a word that actually I never knew it existed. Because I have never felt any food aversion to anything. All my life I've been eating lots of things without any issue. And also, I've not been throwing up. My first pregnancy, I threw up from the very first day, the last day in the labor ward. I was throwing up like literally. Kabisa. So yeah, so this one has been different. I've not been throwing up, and I actually bought even more sick just to get prepared, but then it was not working out. I have been just taking salt most of the time because I was just spitting now and here and there, now and there, spitting. So yeah, apart from spitting and food aversion, I don't think I experienced any other symptoms. No, I did not experience any other symptoms. So yes, I'm currently 35 weeks pregnant, and so actually I don't know how to feel because the first pregnancy it was just me, but now this time round I have a toddler, I have work, I have house chores, I have lots of things that I need to take care of. But then I'm just so excited because there will be another small human being in this family. And also, yeah, my daughter is going to have a sibling. At least she's not going to get bored the way she usually gets bored here. So yeah, that's also good news. And so I've been using this, I've been using this family planning with Jadel. For those who don't know, Jadel is that 5-year family planning that it's inserted, 2 rods are inserted under your arm. So after I went to remove it, the doctors just gave me folic acid, and since my pressure was a little bit high, I was told maybe to use something else. So I was using the family plan, but I did not use it for long because just after one, let's just say I removed it in March, and then by end of April I was so pregnant. And yeah, so if you want to know more about this Jadel thing, how effective it is, if it's effective, if it affected me in any way, or how I went on about it, just comment down below so that I can make a video about it. And yeah, I will be so thrilled. I will be so happy to tell you everything, every detail. Yeah, because women is all about sharing this kind of things, because I know others, they don't know until maybe something happens to you, until you get pregnant, or until you give birth. So these are kind of things that most of women or girls don't pay attention to. Yeah, I also never paid attention to family planning most of the time until the very day I gave birth. So yeah, that's it for this video. So you guys just wish me a safe delivery, and also do not forget to watch my pregnancy related videos. I will have a playlist right here for you guys to follow this journey with me, or to go with this, because some of the videos, of course, I'm still pregnant, so I'll keep on uploading them and posting them when I'm pregnant. So pray for me for a safe delivery, and yeah, all that. I love you guys. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below, and ciao ciao.